What's up? What's up? What's up? One on man, I ride bike the people. One on man. What's up? Life is a mission, people. Wagwan, wagwan. Wagwan. Boy, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another what they call passa or drama, people. Drama in the street. Abbey make man a ball, be I water boy in the middle of the street in front of the public. Abbey, where you have so good, Abbey? Abbey, look on the one on man, people. One on man riding bike. Abbey, where you have so good? Why make the man jump on the car, top car, ban it all out. Just crying. But on a serious note, people. Why, I see one video I circulate with this woman and a man. Basically, it's a couple. They are intimate couple, but it's like Abbey get fed up of this man, you know, because of him probably attitude and stuff whatsoever. Because she lock up in the car. I don't know how she lock up in the car, because as I always say, most time we see these videos. Most time we see these videos, we don't see how them start. It's after the action start, then people might start video. The only way you catch them things from the start, unless you have a dash cam or you have your camera on before it starts. So we don't really know how it starts. We don't know if Abbey, him in the car with Abbey, he might not catch up and him come out of the car and just lock up in the car, or she just trick him, send him out and just lock up in the car. But she were locked into the car, him dip on top of the bonnet. She might fail to drive away because she don't want to create any damage, because him just dip on top of the car like that. Because he was just on top of the car, now move a circle the car. And it seems like Abbey is a bit afraid of him. You understand? So there must be something that he's doing Abbey where Abbey just get tired of and just want to get rid of him or whatsoever. And it seems like a Abbey car. But people, the man put on one piece of cow bawling and preaching to Abbey like a pastor. But it was like Abbey sit in the car and call police. Right? And when the police come, this is the part where I never like. And this is what I say, these police sometimes them act too unprofessional. You understand? Because most time people, because of them response team, people intend to tell them a certain lie for them try to respond a little bit quicker or faster, any way you want to put it. And when them come, them just come with the intention of the information them get. Yes, nothing wrong with coming with the intention of the information you get, because you have to come from your guard. But when you come, you can easily assess the situation by reaching on the scene. And when them reach on the scene, them see the man a cry and the man a bawl, and bystander were there videoing. So it couldn't be nothing out of the way of going. You understand? We are going over Artaway and so video I shoot. You understand? So some police are doing this. So. By the time you arrive, you're supposed to sit, so you're supposed to say it is not that serious as they might make it look. You understand? But based on what Abbey might tell them on the phone when she call them come and angle the man in a rough way. And them say this is a love affair. You understand? It is obvious it is a love affair. So my people, what you know what to do? Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support both of my channels. And remember, up in the community you have Tamika Douglas TV. The new week has started today for them. What I'm asking now for 4 weeks, may I beg on a 10 subscription a week for each of the channels till them reach that 1,000. And the new week start today. Tamika Douglas TV in the community, and when you go in the comment section you see Life with Gabby and Chevy. Yes, the link pinned down there. Just hit the link and subscribe to the channel. and continue to support both of my channels. So let's get into the video. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. It's life is a mission. Always I tell you, not a competition. Okay? Bless up.
Are your girlfriend? Hey, girlfriend?
Pull the door enough. Abby, pull the door enough, please. No, nobody with the
Okay. Yeah.
Let's get make a...
Yes!
Abby, me a beg for him, Abby.
Abby, what me door for you, man? Let me make you open the door for you.
Where you going?
You go-
Abby, me a beg for him.
Video for me. Come here, take us away.
Pink to pink one.
What?
Yeah, we're better reach here now.
Which more?
No, no, can't talk tonight. Don't go on.
Abby, open the door. I'm going to get something to you now, please. Let me just tell you. Yes, David. Eh? Open the door now, Abby. No, open the door. Open the door now, please. Open the door. Just open the door. Me nah come in. Open the door now. Open the door now, Abby. Me nah hurt you, baby. I'm fi deal that man you. Please, me I beg you. Oh man, while I'm on the phone, say me hurt time. You fling on my phone over there, son. While I'm on the phone. I say me do I now. When I have all rights to video me. See me give you money phone. Open the door now, baby. Open the door now.
Yeah, what me door? Tell
Abby,
her, Abby, what me door?
Open the door now, baby.
Abby, me a beg for him. Me a beg for
Me
him.
nah hurt you.
Abby, me a beg for him. You fight hard.
No, but I'm just saying before.
Calm down, calm down.
Abby, me a beg for him.
Abby, what me door for him now? Abby, please. Open the door. Open the door, Abby. Open the door. Help him out.
Me a beg for him. Where your door?
Open your door.
Me and idea about hospital, brother. I don't know what.
So who the hospital? You?
My youth, Abby, please, no, Abby.
Are you girl?
Please, no. Yeah, mo. Yo, my youth, me do everything
Abby,
to
me
make
a
all
beg
right,
for
brother.
you.
Still a deal, me to fuck up, Abby.
Abby, me a beg for him.
Abby, open the
Abby,
door.
just open the door now.
Why?
Abby, me a beg for him.
Fuck that, dog.
The police are gonna come for you now.
Make the ass, brother.
No, you alright.
Brother.
Am I right? Am I right?
Me alright, brother, but don't want to style me, dog. You want to style me, no.
Abby, do me a beg you.
Abby, open the door for him, please.
Abby, please.
Help him out.
Please. Abby, please.
Abby, come on.
Me fuck me can call him.
No.
And you just a beg that girl, I know that. And me a beg that girl, I know that. You know, do me certain.
Go talk to her, make sure open the door for him and make him come
Abby,
off my
me a
car.
beg for you.
Because I don't want police come carry him go to jail.
Abby, do me a beg, but you go video me night.
Abby, go talk to Abby. No, me not video. Me not video.
Abby.
No, me not video.
Yeah.
Go talk to him. Go talk to Abby. Yeah, make sure talk. No, she talk to Abby.
Me a talk to her, man.
Abby, listen me now, Abby, just listen me now. Listen me. Me not have no slippers, my slippers bust out. Me not have no slippers, my slippers bust out, baby, don't left me a road. Yeah, I'm gonna lift me now, Abby, don't make you, Abby, your father, Abby, come on, come see me, I didn't see the dog. Oh, fuck that, dog.
The police are come.
Abby, police
Come on. What did you let the man in, Abby? What the fuck?
Lord God, you know.
Oh, God.
This shot.
Oh, my God, please don't kill him.
Abby, left me now. Left me,
Hold on, we have no back.
I'm not but me phone, brother.
We have bomb buckler. Yo, what's your brother?
I'm on it, girl.
Yes, I'm a man then I can't make a play.
Yeah.
Let's go yard and do what, brother?
Who want to me?
Yeah. No, him just a try getting a car.
Me not fear nothing, brother. I want to go back to wall.
But
What makes you just remove? I mean, never try to hurt her. No, I be me a hurt your G. Me not.
boy, embarrassing bad for Abbey.
And if him way my go and he grab my phone and go away. Enough is enough, man. Me go me I don't fling out him.
How long you Abbey?
Since area.
So you're done with him?
Yeah.
Done.
I'm a madman.
Yeah, but help him that's in a go jail though.
Abbey.
Abbey, please, don't make him go jail.
Don't make him go to jail.
Him not make him go to jail. Him just have a breakdown. Hey, come here. You have it. Listen, you have to stop a breakdown. You have to stop a breakdown. You have to. Come on, man up, man. Man up. Calm down, he's just emotional. Abbey. The police them involved now. Him can't do nothing to you. Abbey, come on. This is disgraceful. Abbey. Hey, here's the $1,000. Here.
Baby, please, no. Please, no.
Here's the $1,000. Here's the $1,000. Oh my God, me understand. Abbey, help out a black brother, man. Help him out.
Miss.
What?
Yeah,
He's not a killer. He man just